Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 from your Android device. And basically we have two options how to remove them. The first one is to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. At the left side we have a button Forget. You need to tap at this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds but leave them at device list and then reconnect them in the future, you need to select Disconnect, not Forget. So you click at this button and then click Forget Device. You will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. The second option is to use an application. You need to open HUAWEI AI Life application, then tap at your earbuds here. Click at the four dots at the right top and click Remove Device here. And once you did it, you will remove your earbuds from the application and also from your phone. So let's check it. And now return to the Bluetooth. As you can see, no earbuds here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!